It's testing time. Hello everyone, good morning. It's Gabby here, back in South Tyrol, of course. So, supposedly we are going to up that mountain at the back of me. So, but it's not possible today because it is super crowded. The queue up is horrible. So, we decided to do something else. But then, it's also very nice because it's also one of my favorite things to do here in South Tyrol when coming here. So look, we are going to the wine shop. So excited, and hopefully I am allowed to take videos while getting wine, guys. So see you around. Testing time. Can I try them? We are no more on the sweet wine. Look, she's so nice. Beautiful color. Love it. So ladies, here you go. I will try you go Scatella and we can negotiate. Ladies will love it, really. So we are fine, we are done, and we got the wine, yay! Woohoo!
Ja, dann just hold it and turn it and pull it.